Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off mobile data on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. In Settings, go to Connections. In Connections, go to Data Usage. In Data Usage, in Mobile portion, you can see the mobile data. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. If this turn on, access the internet through your mobile network. And okay guys, to turn on the mobile data, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on. And to turn off again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it, okay? But we have another option to turn on or off the mobile data. The second one option is, okay, slide from top to bottom. And you can see the mobile data icon, okay? Tap this to turn on the mobile data. And to turn off again, you'll have to do is tap the mobile data to turn off. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off mobile data on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.